All right, this cut's going to be making essentially a box, and not just any box. It could be really anything you think of. It could be a fire extinguisher box that's used on every floor of any high-rise building out there. Shower niches, any recessed box that could possibly be used. If you can come up with a dimension, you can come up with a cut on here as well. So the one I'm going to do is not exact same size as the fire extinguisher box, but it's going to be very similar. So here we go. Take out the blocks on the sides with a utility knife. And we'll glue this at the end where you can see it a little bit better, but essentially you can make any type recessed box at all.